In this video, I'm going to be giving you my Purrustic SlimFix weight loss review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the Purrustic SlimFix weight loss supplement has been getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It claims to help people burn fat naturally, boost metabolism, and improve your overall energy levels. But does it really live up to the hype? Now I'm going to go ahead and take a closer look of what it offers, how it works, and whether it's worth buying. So Purrustic SlimFix is designed as a natural weight loss aid made from a blend of herbal extracts, vitamins, and metabolism supporting ingredients. It's typically marked to help the body enter a fat burning state more efficiently, reduce appetite, and maintain steady energy throughout the day. Now, the idea is to support healthy weight loss without harsh stimulants or extreme diets, making it appealing to people looking for a gentler approach. One thing many users appreciate is that it's easy to use, usually taken in capsule form once or twice a day with water. The formula often includes ingredients like green tea extract, Garcinia gamboge, apple cider vinegar, or L-carnite, all known for their metabolism boosting and appetite suppressing properties. Some people also report feeling more energized and focused after consistent use, which can make it easier to stay active and maintain better eating habits. Now, however, results can vary from person to person. So like most supplements, SlimFix isn't a magic pill. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Some users see noticeable changes within a few weeks, while others experience slower progress. It's also important to buy from the official Purrustic website or trusted retailers, as fake or low quality copies have been reported online. Now, overall, Purrustic SlimFix weight loss seems like a solid option for those looking to support their fitness goals naturally. It offers a clean formula, positive feedback from users, and focus on balanced results without those harsh side effects. Now, it won't replace a healthy diet or your healthy habits, but it can be a helpful addition to your routine if you're looking for an extra boost in your weight loss journey.